Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn simple daily routine questions and answers, the kind of English you can use every day, at the office, at school, at the market, or anywhere you go. Remember, success comes from small, daily steps. Every word you speak, every sentence you repeat, brings you closer to fluency. I will repeat each answer 2 times, and you will repeat with me. This is how you train your mind and your speaking skills. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Don't rush, stay focused, stay patient, and believe in yourself. Whether you are talking at work, in class, shopping at the market, or just practicing at home, this daily routine practice will make your English stronger every day. Your consistency today will change your tomorrow. So take a deep breath, stay positive, and let's start practicing together. Let's go! What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 in the morning. I wake up at 6 in the morning. Do you wake up early or late? I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. What is the first thing you do after waking up? I brush my teeth first. I brush my teeth first. Do you make your bed? Yes, I make my bed every morning. Yes, I make my bed every morning. Do you drink water in the morning? Yes, I drink a glass of water. Yes, I drink a glass of water. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I do light exercise. Yes, I do light exercise. Do you go for a walk? Yes, I go for a morning walk. Yes, I go for a morning walk. What do you do after exercise? I take a shower. I take a shower. Do you take a hot or cold shower? I take a warm shower. I take a warm shower. What do you wear in the morning? I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. Do you pray or meditate? Yes, I pray in the morning. Yes, I pray in the morning. What time do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and bread. I eat eggs and bread. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink tea. I drink tea. Do you check your phone in the morning? Yes, I check my phone. Yes, I check my phone. Do you read the news? Yes, I read the news online. Yes, I read the news online. Do you make a to-do list? Yes, I plan my day. Yes, I plan my day. Do you leave home early? Yes, I leave home early. Yes, I leave home early. How do you go to work or school? I go by bus. I go by bus. Are you happy in the morning? Yes, I feel fresh and happy. Yes, I feel fresh and happy. What time do you start work? I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. Do you like your work? Yes, I like my work. Yes, I like my work. Do you work on a computer? Yes, I use a computer. Yes, I use a computer. Do you study every day? Yes, I study daily. Yes, I study daily. What do you study? I study English. I study English. Do you take notes? Yes, I write notes. Yes, I write notes. Do you work alone or in a team? I work in a team. I work in a team. Do you talk to your coworkers? Yes, I talk to them. Yes, I talk to them. Do you check emails? Yes, I check emails daily. Yes, I check emails daily. Do you drink water at work? Yes, I drink enough water. Yes, I drink enough water. Do you take short breaks? Yes, I take short breaks. Yes, I take short breaks. What do you do during breaks? I relax and stretch. I relax and stretch. Do you use social media at work? No, I avoid it. No, I avoid it. Do you feel tired at work? Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. How do you stay focused? I stay organized. I stay organized. Do you eat snacks? Yes, I eat light snacks. Yes, I eat light snacks. What time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. What do you eat for lunch? I eat rice and vegetables. I eat rice and vegetables. Do you eat with friends? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you enjoy your lunch? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. Do you go back to work after lunch? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Is your work stressful? No, it is manageable. No, it is manageable. Do you finish work on time? Yes, I finish on time. Yes, I finish on time. What time do you finish work? I finish at 5 o'clock. I finish at 5 o'clock after work. Do you feel satisfied? Yes, I feel satisfied. Do you plan for tomorrow? Yes, I plan ahead. Yes, I plan ahead. Do you clean your desk? Yes, I keep it clean. Yes, I keep it clean. What do you do after work? I go home. I go home. Do you rest in the evening? Yes, I rest a little. Yes, I rest a little. Do you drink tea or coffee in the evening? I drink tea. I drink tea. Do you spend time with family? Yes, I spend time with them. Yes, I spend time with them. Do you help at home? Yes, I help with chores. Yes, I help with chores. Do you cook food? Yes, sometimes I cook. Yes, sometimes I cook. What do you do for fun? I watch videos. I watch videos. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. Yes, I watch TV. Do you use your phone a lot? No, I limit usage. No, I limit usage. Do you exercise in the evening? Yes, I walk. Yes, I walk. Do you go outside? Yes, I enjoy fresh air. Yes, I enjoy fresh air. What time do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 8. I eat dinner at 8. What do you eat for dinner? I eat light food. I eat light food. Do you talk with friends? Yes, I talk to friends. Yes, I talk to friends. Do you use social media at night? Yes, for a short time.